Hey guys, what's happening? It's John with Gatehouse Properties. We've already established that the market's changed a lot in the last couple months. There's less buyers, more sellers, more of an even playing field for both. So what does that mean for finding success in this market? As a seller, you want the highest possible price for your property naturally. Here's how you get it. You look at the comps and you pick exactly the price you think it's going to sell for. Traditionally, you ask a little bit higher so you can kind of leave room for negotiation. I pulled some interesting numbers today, and houses that took a reduction from the list price to the sales price had 75 days on the market. That's 75 days of sitting there wondering what's happening with your house. Houses that sold at or above the list price only were on the market for 2 weeks, 15 days total. That's an incredibly short period of time. You're not wondering, and you're selling exactly what you're asking for. So in those 75 days, what happens is buyers get tired of seeing the house. It feels stale. They start thinking it's worth less and less. In this hyper-aware market where we have the internet, we have agents mailing you things daily, you talk to your friends. 3 weeks seems like forever in this market, so people start to assume the house is in a little bit of distress or maybe lower demand, so they offer you less money for it. It's only natural for them to think that. So if you want to hit the highest number possible, really spend time analyzing the comps and looking at what you can sell it for. Get with your agent and make sure you give it some consideration. Now, as a buyer, the same thing applies. You're going to want to look at the comparable sales and see what the value of the property is. Just because somebody's asking that price doesn't mean it's worth it. It used to be like, hey, if you want this, you have to make that offer and get in on it. It's not like that anymore. You have time to look at it. And if it's crazy overpriced, it's crazy overpriced. You don't have to offer those prices anymore. You're going to pay what it's worth. That's about it. If you have any questions, give me a call. Talk to you soon.